Oh guys, are you lost in life? Well, good for you, because you've come to the right place. This is Generation Unravel, and welcome to another video. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get advice from ChatGPT. Although not the best place to get an advice, I would still suggest to go see a therapist if there's something wrong going on with you. ChatGPT can give you some well-of-the-mill advice that you can find on the internet. Let's say you have a problem with how can I get better with handling stress, because like most of us have been going through stress. There should be something, and here are some advice that ChatGPT actually gives to us. And actually ChatGPT can also make really sound nice to you if you need someone to tell you some affirmations or like how you have been doing well. ChatGPT can do that for you, but if you really think about it, it's an AI, so it's still much better to talk to a real person. And yeah, here it is. I can also ask it for like an advice, and it will give us some sort of code, or like, yeah, you can also ask it something else like advice as a university student, because like, you know, as a university student you might get a lot of stress as well. And here are a top 10 lists on what you can do to be a better university student in ways of like handling stress too. So yeah, I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.